In this video, I'll be going over the box method of division. 4 digits divided by 2 digits. The steps are as follows. First, we want to draw a box, and then we want to divide. Second step, multiplication. Third, subtraction. Then we want to bring it up, and then do it again. Below are 2 examples. I'll be going over each one. So for the first example, we have 3,425 divided by 25. So the first step, we will draw a box. Now this box needs to have 4 columns because they're a total of 4 digits. So 3, 4, 2, 5. Then we want to place 25 on the outside. And then we will look at the first digit of the first number in the box. So 3 divided by 25. Since it's too small for 25, this will become 0. And we'll bring down the 0. So 25 times by 0 would be 0. So 3 minus 0 is 3. Next, we want to bring that 3 up here to the next box. So that becomes 34. And what is 34 divided by 25? And the answer is 1. Can go into it. So 25 times 1 is 25. Then we would take 34 minus 25. That gives us 9. And then the next step, again, bring it up. And this becomes 92. So the next step, we're going to do it again. 92 divided by 25. And we can see 3 will go into it. So 3 times 25 is 75. And 92 minus 75 is 17. Then again, bring it up. And this time we have 175 divided by 25. And we can see 7 will go into it. 25 times 7 is 175. And 175 minus 175 is 0. So now that we have the remainder 0, that means 137 is the answer for example 1. Now let's try another question. 9,540 divided by 45. Again, we're going to draw the 4-column box. Be 9, 5, 4, 0. Then we have 45 on the outside. So looking at the first number, 9 divided by 45 is 0 because nothing will go into it. So we bring down the 9 and then we bring up the 9 on the second box. So now we have 95 divided by 45. And 45 times 2 equals 90. So 95 minus 90 is 5. Then we'll bring up the 5 again. Now we have 54 divided by 45. And 1 times 45 is 45. And 54 minus 45 is 9. Bring that up again. Now we have 90 minus 45. And we know 45 times by 2 is exactly 90. So 90 minus 90 is 0. And we're done here. So the answer that we have for example 2 is 212. So these are 2 examples of how you would use box method division, 4 digits by 2 digits. It's a different method in comparison to the traditional method that we are used to, but it works the same way. The only difference is that you are bringing up the number and then repeat again after that to get to the final answer. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.